Hello everybody, welcome to my latest video clip. I'm making slow roast sticky Chinese chicken wings today, and all I can tell you is umami. Umami apparently is when all that wonderful flavour hits the back of your throat and leaves you wanting more, and these sticky chicken wings will leave you wanting more. In fact, I don't believe there'll be any leftovers with this particular dish today. They contain everything we need. They've got sweet, they've got savoury, they've got salty, they've got spicy, everything. And they are really so easy to make. So without any further ado, let's get cracking and look at the ingredients we're going to need. So we'll need some roasted sesame seed oil and some freshly squeezed lemon juice, some wonderful fresh ginger that's grated or finely chopped. Needs to be extremely tiny. And then some crushed garlic cloves. I love the garlic crusher in my kitchen. We need some sriracha chili sauce, or any chili sauce you have. Sriracha is perfect for this dish, I will say that. And then I've got a little bit of Chinese five spice powder on that teaspoon there. And I've got some hoisin sauce, some tomato ketchup, any ketchup you have. Then I've got some oyster sauce right next to the hoisin. Next to that, we've got some soy sauce. I've used dark soy sauce. Then I've got some honey, any honey. And I've got some mirin or some Chinese Shaoxing cooking wine, or even dry sherry. And that's it really. All we need to do now is mix all those beautiful ingredients together in the jug or in a bowl. Mix it up together, there we are. In my bowl here, I'm going to pop in my chicken wings. I've got the two components that we need. The flat bit and the thick bit. I'm not really sure what they're called. I'm sure there's an official name for it. Okay, pop the chicken wings in the bowl. Beautiful. And now we're going to cover them with that fabulous, silky, smooth, salty marinade. Give them a mix with whatever utensil you have to hand. Utensil, did I just say that? And now we're going to fill the roasting tin with our chicken wings, which we've covered with foil, aluminium foil. And then we've lined it with some baking paper. And you will thank me for lining it with baking paper and covering it with foil. At least that way you'll be able to use the tin again without having to spend an hour cleaning it. Okay, in the oven for about an hour. Halfway through, take them out, turn them over. I've turned them over here. Forgot to video the bit of me turning over the chicken wings. And now I want to just take any sauce that's lying around the chicken in puddles and just brush the non-brown bits of the chicken wings and pop them back in the oven for another half an hour. And then when they come out, they should look at that. How can you not love that? Looks absolutely fabulous. They really are a wonderful chicken. And yes, they're sticky. Yes, it's so messy. But isn't that the fun of it all? Isn't that the pleasure? To get yourself all messy when you're eating these chicken wings. Look, I'm just going to show you. Look at that. Shiny and glossy and inviting. Perfect. And dare I say it, they're perfect size as well. You can easily get stuck into these without having any accidents or dropping them. Well, I'd drop them, but I wouldn't choke on them because they're just perfect size. So there we are. They are a fabulous addition to any occasion you have. Dinner party, if you're having drinks and you want to get... Having said that, they're a bit sticky for drinks parties maybe, but great fun. And these are going to lift any occasion you have if you are celebrating. But... and you can do them with chicken drumsticks or whatever you like. There they are on display. I've done the nice little arrangement on the plate for everyone to have a little look at. So easy. All the instructions and volumes and quantities will be in the description below. The full method and recipe, everything's there, the times. So it's so easy to do. Please let me know if there's anything you want to ask, or if you want to tell me about how you've enjoyed the recipes. That's brilliant. Please also, if you'd like to share, subscribe, like, and if you'd like to learn in my next video, please press the notification bell. This is Chef Archie Pie. We're having chicken wings, by the way. It's time to go. Sending everyone lots and lots of love. Do take care of yourselves. I can't wait to get stuck into these chicken wings, and I will see you all very, very soon. Goodbye.